Hi friends and welcome. In this part of the course, we are going to cover some built-in functions that can be used with a set data type. The sorted function provides a way to transform a Python set into ordered values. When the sorted function is used with a set, the final output will be a sorted list of items. Sorted underscore values equals sorted set B. Let's print out sorted values, the type of sorted value, type sorted values. Let's execute the program and see the output. Great, we now have a list of sorted values. Remember that the final output after using the sorted function is a list. It is no longer a set. Values inside a set are not ordered. The set function, aside from being used to create a set, can also be used to remove duplicates from a list. To remove duplicates from the list, we can make use of sets. We simply need to use the set function on the list. Let's declare a new variable called set underscore values equals set. Then we pass in the list, which is duplicate list. We can print out set values, which is going to be a set. Let's execute the program and see what we have. We have been able to remove duplicate value from the list. What we can do now is to convert the set back to a list. Remember that the initial data type is a list. So now let's convert this set value into a list. We can make use of the list function to achieve this. We say final list equals list, which is a Python function. Then we pass in the value of the set values. Print final list. We are using the list function to transform the set back to a list. And finally, we are printing it out. Let's execute the program and see what we have. We now have a list containing unique values. The len function returns the length of a set, which is the same as the number of items in the set. Print len of set A. Let's execute the program and see the output. The number of items in the set is 3. The max function returns the largest item in the set. We are going to declare a variable called max underscore value to store the largest item, max of set A. Print max value. So now let's execute the program and see the output. The largest item in the set is 9. The min function returns the smallest item in the set. Min value, which is a new variable we are declaring. The value we are assigning to it should be min minimum of set A. So now let's print out the min value. Let's execute the program. The minimum value in the set is 1. The sum function returns the sum of all the elements in the sets. Let's declare a variable called total equals sum of set A. Print total. Let's execute the program. The summation of all the values in the set is 6. The union of two sets A and B includes all the elements of A and B. Let's declare a third variable C equals A union B. The pipe symbol can be used for union operation. Now let's print out C, which is union of A and B. Let's execute the program and see the output. Another way to achieve this is by using the union method, which is C equals A dot union of B. Let's execute the program. Great, we have the same results. The intersection of two sets A and B includes the common elements between set A and B. Let's declare a third variable, C equals A intersect B, print C. Let's execute the program and see the output. The intersect includes elements common to both sets. We can also make use of the intersection method. C equals A dot intersection B. Let's run the program again. We have been able to retrieve elements common to both sets. The difference between two sets A and B includes the elements of set A that are not present in set B. We simply need to write A minus B. Print C. The expected output should be a set containing 4. 4 is the only item present in A but not in B. Let's execute the program and see the output. Great. We should also take note that A minus B is not the same as B minus A. Let's try that out. B minus A. B minus A means elements of set B that are not in set A. The expected output should be an empty set because there is no element in set B that is not in set A. Let's execute the program and see the output. Great, the difference is now an empty set. The isDisjoint method returns true if the set has no elements in common with other. Sets are disjoint if and only if their intersection is empty set. Let's declare a third variable c equals a dot isDisjoint b print c. The final output is false. The in keyword in Python can be used to check if an item exists in a set. Let's declare a variable called check equals 1 in set A print check. The expected output is true because 1 is present in set A. Let's execute the program. Great. Let's try to use another value which is not present. 0. 0 in set A. No. Let's try that out. Great. That's all for now, and thank you for watching. For further information on sets in Python, please check the link provided in the video description. See you in the next video.